Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka ICA ka pinkre ya ka laway jongpi. Nakabinta ka tuition but coaching ka babhatam ya pi. Yasno but ka ICA.
Menteri rang bah kajala ukan rat kongkal sangma haka arpu arterik jembang arajar apusan ulale jingo ya kan nong spung Garu Lower Primary School kabadan hakas nong spung Jirang constituency di Boy District kani ka school kablasna nadu usnam ka kandai spa anyu pun rio kablasa ben klam dama remote show daladi menteri rang bah ulakula ban kentiu kerdan ya ka school takajing senran lang jong MLA ka Jirang constituency uba asas kinder soton.
Amca. Acha sunanga guitar ang panatura. Nakin. Guitar, keyboard, ada sound system ko. Una pa ma? Di ba mong sa condition mo? Sana kalimis rang mo. Era. Ikicip ka to. See? Era. Wow! I was given an application. I was given a presentation, and they said it's going to cost 3,000 crores to repair all the government LP schools, government UP schools, government secondary, government high secondary, and government colleges. 3,000 crores. So I don't know what to do, where to start. But then I said, let's start somewhere. And that's when I started repairing the schools, LP schools. Today, after 7 years, we have finally managed to finish most of the schools. Another 300 are left now. My point being that the reason why the officers had to write to you like that is because even government LP schools were in the same condition. When government LP schools only we cannot repair, how to do others? That was the whole problem. So it's not that they didn't want to do, but the problem was there was limited fund. We were facing huge challenge. We took up that challenge, and today after 7 years, we finally have got all the government LP schools almost done. So now I'm looking at the other non-government, SSA, ad hoc, deficit. Now slowly waiting. That's why I've come to see your place. I'll see what I can do, and I'll try to help. Okay? One is repair so they can do basic class. Then I'll give LP grant, I'll give some amount from my side. And for the UP, I'll give. We are here in Jirang area, in Nongspung A village. And this is part of my tour today of Jirang area, along with our Honorable MLA. And we're visiting some of the areas and schools and villages just to meet the people and to understand different challenges that they're facing. Here in Nongspung A village, as you can see behind me, there is a LP school and an SSA UP school. And a lot of challenges are there because the building is in a very bad condition. And therefore, along with the Honorable MLA, we have decided to work together and provide them in a phase-wise manner new infrastructure. And I've promised that. So along with my CMSDF scheme, along with whatever support from the MLA, as well as from the SSA scheme, we will try and build up this infrastructure in a phase-wise manner at the earliest. Apart from that, of course, which I always have been doing, I believe that the students should be engaged in extracurricular activities. So we have also promised them some music instruments and sports. Equipments, some of them I brought along with me this time, so I have handed over one small acoustic guitar, and I was so happy to see one of the youngsters in spite of not having any access to any instruments, he still was able to pick up and play the different keys, and it's very encouraging, and I hope that I'll be able to give them more opportunities by providing them better music equipments in the future. But it is very nice to be here today. It's my first visit ever to this part of the constituency, in this part of the state, and I can see that there are a lot of challenges. We may not be able to resolve everything in one go, but hopefully our visit will at least give some relief and we'll be able to do some good for the people.